Greetings from the darkness. It's actually only like 6:30 in the morning, but what we have today is our very first public autocross. We got a generator running, keeping power into the building. We got that kind of jerry-rigged up. I've got a coffee pot running up there. We're gonna run our timing controls and everything from up there today. We've got a little PA system. But basically what I got to do is do a little bit of setup, and then everyone that's coming out to help is going to start showing up here in the not too distant future. This is a very big day for the track because this is actually our very first totally open public autocross. So we've got a system that has worked pretty good for a couple of test days, or private days as they were, and this is really going to be kind of our grand opening. It started about 1.5 years ago, and we did it. We opened a racetrack. So this is one, you know, not to get sappy, but this is one for the history books. It's not too often a new place to go drive your car opens, and if you're watching the channel, you're probably acutely aware of that. So this is a pretty special opportunity we've got. I've got a list of people to thank that's so long, I'm not even gonna begin doing it. All my friends and family, all the people that supported me from day one. It's just kind of a crazy idea, and you know, the place was a total crap hole when I bought it, but it's kind of turned the corner and we got something. So I'm proud to say that Black River Motorsports Park is now open. This is the first of a minimum of 6 public autocross events that we're going to host into the next calendar year. It's October 16th now, and we're actually really fortunate to have weather this good this time of year. It's supposed to be like in the low 40s today, but the big thing is that it's going to be dry. So that's about it. I got a bunch of setup to do, so I'll pick up with you guys after we get some daylight out here. Alright, so we kind of got our staging area, pit area over here. These are the staging lanes. And after they exit, they can make their way back in. That's how we're running it for now, but it might change after this time. Sounds like run groups are the way to go. So let's go upstairs. I'll show you a quick view of what the control area kind of looks like. So the timing board is right there, and the people that are driving today, they can actually see it as they exit. I'll give you a view of it here in a little while. But this is where our corner workers are in the middle, and out in the very center of the track we've got some great volunteers that are helping run cones as well, and everyone's kind of responsible for watching and picking up cones as they get hit. But that's the basic layout. We got our spectating area all through here, and it's really the only area for now till we get more barriers. But here's how our run looks as they go. We got Andy starting cars down there. Here comes Mr. Fast in the F-body. This is who bought it from me. This is Jake from Dad Mods. Good sounding car. So that's the 2 laps they do. Right now he's doing his cool down lap, and of course he will come around down here and exit when he's done, and that's when we start the next car. So that's pretty much how it's working today. Kind of interesting, but it's a way to make a track like this work in a way that it's really not designed to work. Fortunately, we've got all this additional paving, and it's actually making this kind of doable, so it's pretty cool. So downstairs, we haven't done much fixing up, but what we do have is the timing stuff from upstairs all written down. It's got an HDMI cable that comes downstairs, so you can check out your times throughout the day. Shows DNFs, who each driver is, their number, and basically what their time was. Here's a 5933 plus one. That is a +1 cone, and he additionally did not finish. So Michael Morgan from Morgan's Motorplex is here today, and he's been giving us some really good tips and pointers, and we're going to get a lot of good info for next year. So if you haven't yet, and you're in the Minneapolis, St. Paul, St. Cloud area, check out Morgan's Motorplex on Facebook. They got a good page, and they also have a bunch of autocrosses at different tracks and facilities. So check them out. And here he goes. So the timer starts here. We got ourselves the Penny timer. It's donated by the Penny family. I get a couple of clips from somebody, but they had 3 of these cars out here. It's pretty fun to watch. So we're about almost done with our first session, and we're gonna go into session 2 here pretty quick. So I think we got another 20 minutes, something like that.
No.